Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we are given that the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of two numbers. Okay, the highest common factor is 12. The lowest common multiple is 504, and they gave me one of the number. One of the number is 36. Find the smallest possible value of the other number. Okay, so for such question, we would approach it by using the prime factorization method. I would then express my highest common factor 12 as 2 squared times 3 in terms of their prime factors, and my 504 as 2 power 3 times 3 power 2 times 7. And okay, next, they will give me one of the numbers as 36, so I would also express 36 as a product of its prime factors as well. And that will be equals to 2 power 2 times 3 power 2. And we are ready to try and guess intelligently the smallest possible value of this. So I will have 36 as 2 power 2 times 3 power 2 . And we'll also have the other number which must be smallest possible number. So the other number will be here. The other number which we don't know, but we do know two things. The HCF is 2 power 2 times 3. And from here, we could actually guess that for the HCF, we choose the lowest power, and we saw that the HCF only have 3 power 1, only have 1 3, but 36 have 3 power 2. So this 3 must come from where? Come from this other number, such that we still are able to satisfy the HCF. Then the 2 power 2 later we will consider. But once we know that the LCM, which is 504, 2 power 3 times 3 power 2 times 7. And from here, for LCM, we must choose all the highest power. And LCM has 2 power 3. 36 only have 2 power 2. This 2 power 3 must come from somewhere. Come from where? Come from the other number, right? The 3 power 2 can come from 36, and the 7 again must come from somewhere. Come from where? Yes, it must come from the other number, so that now we are able to satisfy all the conditions. HCF, if you look at the HCF, which is the red color, 2 power 2, yes, indeed, 2 power 2 is the smallest power, 3 is the smallest power, and it is the, only this has the common one, 7 not common, we don't choose, okay? And if we look at for LCM, we choose the highest power, 2 power 3, yes, 3 power 2, yes, 7 and nothing, yes, we have just successfully found the other number. Therefore, the other number is equals to 168. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.